Today's makeup look is everyday makeup tutorial for black women. Easy, no eyeshadow makeup look. If you're interested, click on the subscribe button for awesome tips and tricks for your makeup, and also give this video a thumbs up. So first, I'm going to start with my primer. I'm going to apply this on my face as a base for my makeup to go on. Now picking up my Mary Kay foundation, I am going to use this to contour my face, my forehead. Now I am going to apply this foundation on my face. This is the Maybelline foundation. Now to highlight my face, I'm going to pick up this concealer to highlight under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead. And while that sets, I'm going to work on my brows because we don't want to waste time there. We have to get going. So I'm just going to use this eyebrow pencil to draw my brows. I have an eyebrow tutorial that I will link up there, so you can click on it and watch. And now I am going to blend my highlights. To add more coverage to my highlight, I am going to use this Zara liquid concealer, and I'm going to just use a little bit of it because a little goes a long way. This concealer is weightless, it's full coverage, and it is crease proof. I will leave down the link if you're interested to purchase, and you can get one for yourself. It's a very good concealer. To set my highlight, I am picking my Mary Kay Sheer Mineral Press Powder, and I'm going to use this brush to just lightly set that concealer before picking up my setting powder. To set my contour, I'm going to use this Strong So Contour palette by Makeup Revolution. and I'm going to use this to set my contour and bronze my face. Now I am also just going to dip my brush using a smaller brush, just going to dip it into that powder there to contour my nose. And now for my eyeshadow, there is no eyeshadow, so I'm just going to apply concealer, the Zaron liquid concealer on my eyelids, blend it out with my beauty sponge, and then set it with my setting powder. And that's it. No eyeshadow makeup look. It's easy, it's gorgeous, and you are going to love it. This is pretty. I love it. And this is so easy for beginners. So now to apply blush, I'm just going to use this brush to apply a little bit of blush on my cheeks and add color to this look so it can look glam. And now going to set this makeup using the Zaron moisturizing setting spray. That's a lot. It's very good setting spray, keeps your makeup all day. And now to line my lips using the Zaron lip liner and also using the Zaron matte lipstick in the shade Passion. I'm going to leave down the list of products I used in this tutorial and also the links for the Zaron makeup products. And we are done. This is the finished look. I love it. If you did too, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, also click on that notification bell to be notified. Guys, I love this look. It's just gorgeous. Till next time, take care. Bye.